Hi there, animal explorers. Welcome back to Daisy's Animal Facts. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of one of the most familiar and fantastic birds around. Get ready to waddle, splash, and quack your way through this episode because we're learning all about ducks. That's right, ducks. They might seem like just regular pond birds, but ducks are full of surprises. So put on your rain boots, grab your explorer hat, and let's jump right in. Ducks are birds that are found all over the world. They live on every continent except Antarctica. That's pretty amazing, right? Some ducks live near lakes, some near rivers, and others hang out on oceans or in marsh. Ducks are part of a bird family called waterfowl. That means they love the water. They swim, dive, and paddle around all day long. They even have special waterproof feathers and webbed feet that help them move easily in the water. Now let's talk about their most famous sound. What sound does a duck make? That's right, they quack. But not all ducks quack the same way. Some make soft peeping sounds. Some whistle. Some even make loud honks. And here's a fun fact. Not every duck can quack. Mallard ducks are the ones that quack the most. If you've ever heard a duck at the park, chances are it was a mallard saying hello. Speaking of mallards, they are the most common duck in North America. Male mallards have shiny green heads, yellow beaks, and gray bodies. Females are brown with orange beaks. The brown feathers help the female hide in the grass when she's sitting on her eggs. Mallards can fly, swim, and walk. They're really good at all three. That makes them super flexible and great at surviving in different places. Ducks come in all kinds of colors and sizes. Some ducks are tiny, like the teal, which can fit in your hands. Others, like the Muscovy duck, are much larger and can weigh more than a small dog. Their feathers can be plain or bright, and their bills, or beaks, come in all shapes too. Most ducks have flat, wide bills that help them scoop up food from the water or mud. So what do ducks eat? Ducks love to snack. They're omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. Ducks eat grass, seeds, insects, snails, and even small fish. If you see a duck tipping forward in the water with its tail sticking up, it's called dabbling. That means the duck is using its bill to scoop up food from the bottom of the pond. Some ducks are divers, which means they dive underwater to grab food. That's right. Ducks are like little underwater explorers. Ducks also have a special way of keeping their feathers clean. They have a gland near their tail that makes oil. Every day, ducks use their beaks to spread this oil over their feathers. It's like they're giving themselves a feather massage. This oil keeps them dry, even when they're splashing in the rain or swimming for hours. Water rolls right off their backs, just like a raincoat. Let's talk about duck feet. Duck feet are webbed, which means the toes are connected by skin. This makes them perfect for swimming. The webbing works like flippers and helps ducks paddle through the water. On land, ducks can waddle, and it looks pretty funny. They rock back and forth because their legs are set far back on their bodies. But when they take off into the air, ducks can fly really fast. Some ducks fly over 50 miles per hour. That's faster than a car driving in the city. Did you know that many ducks migrate? That means they travel long distances when the seasons change. In the fall, ducks fly south to warmer places. In the spring, they return north to nests and raise their ducklings. Some ducks fly thousands of miles to find the perfect home. They fly in big groups called flocks and often make a V shape in the sky. This helps them save energy and stay together. Now let's meet some baby ducks. Ducklings are the cutest, floofiest little balls of feathers you've ever seen. When ducklings hatch, they already have soft down feathers and can walk and swim within hours. That's right, they don't stay in the nest for long. As soon as they're ready, they follow their mother around in a neat little line. Have you ever seen a mama duck leading her babies across a street or through a park? It's adorable, and the ducklings always stick close to her, learning how to find food and stay safe. Ducks are also very smart. They have excellent memories and can recognize different sounds and places. They use a variety of noises to talk to each other. Quacks, whistles, and grunts all mean different things. Ducks can even sleep with one eye open and half of their brain awake. This helps them stay alert for danger while still getting some rest. Talk about multitasking. Ducks play an important role in the environment. They help control insect populations, spread seeds, and keep water plants in balance. They are also part of the food web, meaning they are food for animals like foxes, eagles, and raccoons. Every duck has a job in nature, and they help keep wetlands healthy and full of life. Have you ever seen a duck do a funny little head bob? That's often a way of saying hello or showing they're excited. Ducks also like to splash around in puddles and even take baths. They use their beaks to preen or clean their feathers, and they'll sometimes flap their wings to dry off. It's like their own spa treatment. Now let's talk about something very special. Duck feathers. Duck feathers are made of 3 layers. The outer feathers keep the duck dry. Underneath are soft down feathers that keep them warm. People used to collect duck down to make pillows and jackets because it's so fluffy and warm. But today, many people choose other materials to keep ducks safe and happy in the wild. Some ducks live on farms. These ducks are called domesticated ducks. They are raised for their eggs, meat, or just as pets. Farm ducks are usually larger than wild ducks and come in all kinds of colors. Pekin ducks, which are all white with orange beaks and feet, are one of the most common farm ducks. They are gentle, friendly, and love to follow people around. There are also ducks in zoos and nature centers where kids and families can learn more about them. Watching ducks swim, eat, and play is relaxing and fun. Some parks even have special duck ponds, but if you visit one, make sure to feed them the right food. Bread is not healthy for ducks. Instead, try feeding them birdseed oats or cut up veggies like lettuce and peas. That helps them stay strong and healthy. Let's finish with a few super fun duck facts. Did you know a group of ducks in water is called a raft? On land, it's called a waddle. In the air, it's called a flock. Ducks have excellent vision. They can see nearly all the way around their heads. Some ducks can sleep while floating. Others have tiny combs in their beaks to help filter food from the water. And the oldest known duck lived to be over 20 years old. That's a lot of waddling. So, the next time you see a duck, remember they are more than just a bird that quacks. Ducks are travelers, swimmers, flyers, parents, and survivors. They have been living beside people for thousands of years and are still full of mystery and wonder. Whether they're dabbling in a pond, flying through the sky, or waddling through the grass, ducks are one of nature's most delightful animals. Thanks for joining me today on Daisy's Animal Facts. I hope you had as much fun as I did learning about ducks. If you liked this video, give it a a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your animal-loving friends. Until next time, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop being curious about the amazing animals all around us. See you soon, and quack quack goodbye!